Do you want to grow your email list with opt-in freebies or unique lead magnets that you offer your audience? Here are my top 10 suggestions. If you want to learn how to grow your email list from scratch, watch this video right here after this one. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business, so if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So the first freebie that you can offer your audience as a lead magnet to get them to subscribe to your email list is a printable file. That can be a photo, a planner, a calendar that they can print out and use in their home or just digitally. This can help your audience stay organized in their business, or simply provide value through a checklist, or simply display a nice print in their home. That of course depends on your niche and what your business is about. The next freebie idea are Canva templates. Those can be for social media, sales templates, email templates, and more. Again, offer your audience something that is valuable to them and that will help them in the process of growing their business. It doesn't have to be a lot of templates, but if you offer something of value, they will want that for free in order to subscribe to your email list. The next freebie idea is a checklist or a workbook that of course will help them stay organized as well, and it will also give them an idea of how you build your digital products. This way they might be interested in actually purchasing a product from you in the future. The next freebie idea is an ebook or a short guide that will help them with something in their business as well, or will help them learn something new. Offer a short version of a longer paid version if you want to get more conversions and sales for a paid product. The next freebie idea are stock images or graphics that you create as an artist. As a photographer, you can offer stock images or free images as freebies. As an artist, free graphics is something that your audience would definitely be interested in order to subscribe to your email list. Next, website templates. These can be themes or other website templates, for example for sales pages, webinars, tripwire pages, and more, or any other landing pages for services or products. The next freebie idea is an email course. In my opinion, this is a great freebie idea for people that want to get their audience accustomed with receiving emails from them. So if you're just starting out your email list, an email course is a great lead magnet idea. This will also show your teaching abilities. Next, a discount or a coupon code that your audience will receive in their inbox as soon as they subscribe to your email list. This is especially useful if you are a product selling business and you have a special offer for newsletter subscribers. You can use this as a pop-up for your website, for your business to grow, and for your email list to grow as well. The next freebie idea is a spreadsheet, an Excel file, a Google Sheet file in which you have different tables, different formulas that will help your audience get something done faster, such as calculate their taxes, or even a table with information. This will also help them store data easily in an already designed table. So creating such a spreadsheet for your audience as a freebie is a great idea. And the last freebie idea is a resource list or a resource library. By only giving access to this to your email list subscribers will make them understand that there's something valuable in there, and they will also find all your recommended products, which will also get you more affiliate sales, because the products that you recommend there can be done with affiliate links of the programs you've joined as a business. So there you go, these are 10 great lead magnets ideas or freebie ideas for your email list marketing strategy. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. And you can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess for more content on growing online with social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.